Hi there, I thought I'd give you another tip on erasers, and this time it's to do with these plastic erasers. And sometimes they're a bit annoying when you use them for a while and they get a really curved end, and then you've got no accuracy when you want to try and erase something really fine. So here's a trick that another artist showed me. To use the other end, or if you wanted to you could start on this end, but on this end here, the square end, what you do is you just start butchering these. So if you don't have to keep it as a big block like that. So you get a blade, preferably a fairly firm one. I've chosen the big knife that's got the stronger blade, and you just chop it up into slices. So you don't make them too thin, don't make them too wide. You make them just wide enough that you can get a nice sharp edge, but enough thickness that it's going to be reasonably strong to use. So just slice down through, and you get a little piece of an eraser like that, and then look at how many sharp sides there are on that piece of eraser that you can go in and erase really fine details. Switch to another side, erase fine details. So that's fantastic for using for really fine work. So out of one of these you could get 10 or 15 brand new sharp edged erasers by doing that trick. So don't be afraid to butcher your plastic erasers to get nice little fine ones. So if you want any more tips on erasing, drawing, painting, go to the dojo at zenartart.com for Zen and the Art of Art, and please hit like down below to allow other people to see this video as well. Thanks for watching.